Children, today I am going to teach you English reader subject topic long sound of O words. We have learned long sound of E words. Yes, no children? Do you remember that? B, C, all this long sound of E letter words we have learned. Today I am going to teach you O letter words. Okay? See, we have learned O letter words also. But this is, you can observe one thing, two O's are there. Yes, children? See, for example, F, O, X, fox. Fox. Okay. But here, two O is there. So, they are not telling moon. They are not telling moon. Moon. Why they are dragging, children? Why we will drag moon? Because we have two O. Yes, no children? Two O's are there. So, you can observe here, in all these words, we have two O. See here, I have underlined here, O, double O are there. Yes, no children? You can see here, O. Okay. So, once I will read the words children. Moon, spoon, stool, broom, igloo, look, book, cool. Because why we are dragging this O letter? Because two O are there. That's why we call it as long sound of O. Long sound. We call it as long sound. See, for example, hot. H would be hot. We are not dragging that O. Yes, no, children, this is not long sound. This is a normal word, hot. Okay. Short. For example, fox, pot. All these are, in all these letters also O is there. You can see here, pot, fox. In all these letters also O is there. But we are not dragging that letter. Long. This is not a long sound words. Yes, no children? So these are normal words. O letter words. Okay. What is these are? O sound letter words. Now this is also O sound letter, but it's a long sound of O. Yes, no children? Moon. M-O-O-N. Moon. S-P-O-O-N. Spoon. S-T-O-O-L. Stool. B-R-O-O-M. Broom. I-G-L-O-O. Igloo. L-O-O-K. Look. B-O-O-K. Book. C-O-O-L. Cool. So children, when you read these words frequently, then you will come to understand the words different, children. Why we call B-O-X box? Okay, B-O-X box. But B-O-O-K book. Why we have to drag? Because two O letters there. This is long sound of O letter words. Understood, children? So do practice this long sound of O letters. I will refer the book, children. In last class, we have learned long sound of E words. B, tree, jeep, sheep, teeth, sleep. This is also long sound word. This is the E letter. Okay. This is the stepping stone book, children. In this book, page number 27, E sound are there. So today I have taught you long sound of O words. You can see here moon, spoon, stool, broom. Here they have given more words. So do practice this at home, children. Parents, please help your child to learn this long sound of O letter words so that they will get practice. Which are the long sound? They will come to know the differentiate between long sound words and normal O sound words. Okay, parents. Children, please do practice this to learn all these O sound, long sound of O words and long sound of E words. Last session I have taught you long sound of E words. In this session I have taught you long sound of O words. Okay, children? So do practice this at home, children. Thank you, parents. Thank you, children.